Hi everyone. Well, today we will check the simple future negative form. Here we go. We got here some sentences in affirmative. We will change them to the negative form. To do this, we have to write will in the auxiliary will not or the contraction of these words. That is want. Okay? So that way we got I want record a new video tonight. I won't record a new video tonight. Okay? Sentence number two. You won't watch my video tomorrow. You won't watch my video tomorrow. Sentence number three. We won't visit our family on Christmas. We won't visit our family on Christmas. Sentence number four. They won't travel abroad this afternoon. They won't travel abroad this afternoon. And the last example is my friend won't cook chicken today. My friend won't cook chicken today. To watch next video, click where the arrow points. See you in the next video.